you've been thinking about moving to Celina, Texas, and you want the quality of a Toll Brothers home under $600,000, well, we have a treat for you today because we are getting into this Toll Brothers home that is the Corby and the ranch at Uptown, which is about a mile away from that downtown Celina Square. Really looking forward to showing you guys this. It's a really windy day, so we're starting from the inside, but let's turn this camera around and let's get you started. Okay, so this is the Corby, and this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, and it's just under 3,000 square feet. And look at that. I like the 2-story design. I like the 2 chandeliers right on the entryway.
Nice.
Like the little catwalk and all that good stuff, the high ceilings. As you come in to your left, you do have a full bathroom with a tub on this particular house. Now, if you're building from scratch, you can deck this out however you want. But then right over here, that bathroom serves this bedroom as well.
Decent size. It's a little bit small for this bed. This is a huge
it's a
bed.
big bed. Look, you can't even open this all the way.
Yeah, so they need a smaller bed frame probably in here.
Yeah, but this is good to know, right?
Correct.
A lot of times when we're looking at inventory homes, we don't really get to see that. Then obviously you got a linen closet is here, right here. As you continue through, you've got a laundry area right off of your garage. Pretty small, but just enough. Practical, right? You
Very
still
practical.
You still have plenty of cabinetry. You've got a countertop, but it's in a smaller footprint.
Yeah, but it's got plenty of folding space and everything.
That's what
still,
I mean. Like,
which
it's
is
a
great.
pretty good design.
Yeah.
And then right over here, you have the office. Now, Patrice and I were looking at this and we're envious. Because, I mean, you could do this in any office. But I like how they have it set up here. We have so many clients that call us and they both work from home. So unless you're on calls all day, this might be a good space to be able to kind of
Yeah, I could not
have a
imagine
2-for-1.
both of you being on calls though. That would be quite.
Yeah, you might have to go into separate areas of the home.
Exactly. And then look at, you go right into this wide open space and the ceiling just goes so high right here. And then look at the beams in the dining.
Yes, look at this, Patrice.
This
Speaking
is very
my
pretty.
language, huh? Look at this. You've got nice dining side. I mean, it's just a good family dining area. I can totally picture the kids sitting around. I feel like we're missing that a little bit, and I think it's sort of coming around to it. At least the dining rooms are. For years, we never saw any dining rooms.
Yeah, it
right?
really
was
is
just the breakfast
making a
area.
comeback.
Yeah, so hopefully along with that comes all the family, night dinners and all that good stuff. I miss those times. Look at this, big chandelier. You've got a nice fireplace centered with the stone going all the way up to the ceiling.
Yeah, this is a nice big fireplace.
Yeah, a giant fireplace. It kind of sticks out like 3 feet off of the wall, right?
So you can't fit like really big furniture in here because this isn't a huge room. Yeah. But it's a nice, comfortable room.
It's a comfortable space and it's far enough back to where you could still see the TV without feeling like you're in the front row of a movie.
Yeah, that's good.
We've seen some of those before where it was pretty bad. I like how you have this design right here where you can put some art.
Yeah, that's nice. And then it drops down and then you have this nice kitchen.
And now you're in the kitchen. You got your quartz countertops, nice deep sink. You've got your drawers underneath. You've got the quality that you would expect from a Toll Brothers 5-burner cooktop.
And this kitchen is perfect for people like us who are, kids are leaving the house and stuff. We don't need all the space anymore. And I think this is really a good size.
You've got an HEB approved snack closet right there. Yeah, this home is really a good layout for like a young family. That's who's this particular floor plan is laid out to, are that young family that are looking to stay in that $600,000 range, because the base price is $560, but you got to remember This is the model home. It's not gonna come like that for that price.
Absolutely not.
You've got this breakfast area here. So this is where the kids are having some nice breakfast and whatnot right before school. And speaking of school, remember, this is one of the top schools, top growing area in all of North Texas. So this is a good spot for a lot of people. Now, we're gonna brave going outside a little bit just to give you an idea, but you're gonna have to bear with us because it's really windy today. But I wanted to kind of show you the patio space. Good space. It's not overly big, but it's good to get you under some shade. And then you've got a decent sized backyard, a really good sized backyard, but this could be oversized.
That's a pretty cool fire pit, actually.
That is cool. It's a cool design.
Yeah, I like the way they did that. And then you've got plenty, I mean, it's a good sized backyard.
Yeah, but this may be a little bit oversized because it's the model. They tend to put them on pretty good lots.
Which is where lot premiums come in.
Exactly. But, you know, with a brand new community like this, you have options. So that's nice.
Yeah, and this is a great community. It's got, you know, pools and walking trails and all the things that you are looking for in a community.
Yeah, we're not really, you know, have great walkability scores when it comes to, you know, restaurants and that sort of thing when it comes to North Texas. We're very car driven, but you could walk or an e-bike or something a mile down. This will be connected to the downtown square in Celina, which would be
really nice, actually.
As you come into the primary, again, I want to point out the beams. Obviously, that's not standard, but obviously a nice to have. I like these windows that they have, pouring in that natural light. That's the one nice thing about not having that extended patio. You don't have that coverage over the windows blocking in that sunlight.
That's true.
Good sized room, right? This is a king size bed. You got 2 nightstands, plenty for most people. And then you come into your ensuite where you have dual sinks, nice big closet, and one of these beachfront showers.
Your beachfront shower. Let's take a look at that.
I always have to name the showers for some reason.
I know.
Right? I name them car wash showers, beachfront.
This is really pretty, actually.
I like this tile.
Yeah.
It's like a travertine.
Got your rain head up there. All right, well, let's take a look at this closet.
The closet for this, you know, house, this is a good size.
Yeah, not bad. Not bad. If you have a ton of clothes, might be a problem, but.
So we have 1 bedroom that we visited downstairs, 1 office, and then 1 primary. So then we've got 2 bedrooms upstairs.
Well, let's go check those out. All right, look at this nice room. They've got the built-ins right there. And
built-ins in this kind of loft area. Could be a game, could be, like I said, just like they're using it.
it's a very comfortable space. I might even use this as my everyday TV watching room because it's really cozy.
Well, you also have this, which would be traditionally a media room.
Oh, but they made it like a kid's playroom. That's pretty clever.
Yeah, and we've talked about this. Like a lot of our clients in reality, depending on what age your kids are, like if they're this size where they're using this stuff, then this could be an option for you.
And then change it into a media room later.
And then you change it into a media room later. It's a way to close it off, all the mess.
I don't know, we like to camp, so you know, we could
teaching
use
them
something
young.
like that, yes.
Teaching them young, good job. All right, but that's a good idea. Like if you had it set up like that, and close the doors off, and then you could still have company and entertain up here. Have a big TV or whatnot. Now we have 2 more bedrooms, and they have this bathroom.
Fun tile, and then you've got a tub with a nice shower enclosure. I like that. Tile all the way to the top. Obviously that's an added cost, but it's a nice option to have.
Now look at this, baseball fan with all the MLB stadiums.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a cool little map there, actually.
And then you've got this closet, which actually is very nice size. I like this
I
room.
mean, it's a very family like house.
It does feel very family. Like I could see us moving here into this house when we first got here.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, and this is pretty typical as well. Now this is like twin girls. Can you imagine? And then walk-in closet
I think
as
it'd
well.
be fun myself.
That would be kind of fun.
But I like all the windows in here. This is a very cheery room.
But let us know, guys, what you think. We're here every single day at 5 p.m. Central Time, bringing you the latest and greatest of everything that DFW Real Estate has to offer. This is a Toll Brothers home in a brand new community. $560,000 is the starting price for this particular model, and you almost get 3,000 square feet. Let us know whether or not you think this is a good deal or not. Generally speaking, you're probably going to be in that $650,000 to $700,000 range when all's said and done, depending on if you get a lot premium and most people what they put in for upgrades. So just bear that in mind. And like I said, we're here every day for you. If you want assistance, our dream home form is in the contact information below. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.